Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Thursday, not Tuesday. Thursday, September the 12th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. We have 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. 7 extra puzzles, as mentioned. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. What's the news for today? Well, I've told you a day ago, Harris has won the debate. Trump, the loser. Yes. Alright, that's the news of the day. Alright, this one will be number 9259. Let me zoom this. 9259. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26 printed digits. Well. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, the publisher has indicated with 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see which number I can pick. How about the 6 in this column, the 6 in the last column, so the column T between. The only place left for the 6 should be there. There's 6 there. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Well, cannot continue with the 6. Need a 3 here. But the 5. Need a 1 up. 1 in this column, first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1. 1, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. Alright. Now I cannot continue with 1. How about the number 9 in this row? 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Need a 3 here. Need a 4 here. Alright. Come on. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. I'm thinking 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And we have a pair, the 1 and the 3 in the first row, the 1 and the 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. The 3 in this column, the 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 supposed to be there. Yes. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. Let me continue with 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column 3. Only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in the row below, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Right. Need a 6 here. Yeah. 5 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 6 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be here. 6, 6. Yeah. Need 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. Okay, 6, 2, 4, 6. How about the number 8? 5, 8. 5, 8, 2. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of them, 3 of those missing numbers are the numbers, the 2, the 8, and the 5. We have 2, 8, and a 5 in this column, so no 2, 8, and a 5 in these 2 boxes. 2, 8, and a 5 goes in those 3 boxes. 2 and an 8 and a 5, 2, 8 and a 5. We have a 5 there, so this should be the 2 and an 8. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9. 8 in the first column, third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for 8 should be there. So the 2 and the 5, okay. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in the third column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 or an 8. We have a 2 now, so this box should be an 8. So the other 2 should be the 2 and the 5. Alright. 1 box left now in the middle column for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. I need a 4 here. Need a 2, and I need a 7 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left with a 7 in this big square. Should be there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 5. That box should be a 2 then. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 8, 8. 6, 9, 5. 5, 9, and the 7. 3 missing numbers in this column, third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 5, 7, 9. 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9. And look, we have a 7 and 9 in this row, so no 7, 9 in this box. 7 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair, so one digit left in this third column for number 5. Here we have 2 numbers left in this row, the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 now in this column, second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2, 2. I need a 4 here. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in the second column, so no 4 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So on the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 7 and a 9. We have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. Then, let me see, 9, 9. 1 box left now in the second column. Leaving 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. Need a 5 here, okay. Then 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left now in the last row for numbers 1. The 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this first row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 8 in the last column. 8 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have 2 in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Wow. Solve it again, solve it again. 4, 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Let me give this a 0 stars. I'm faster than 30 minutes, so I'm real pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it and solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles, the 4 Star Sudoku and the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.